how to set up automation sequence email marketing in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automation in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, log into your account, and here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you'll be able to see the option that says automations. So under automations, you'll be able to see all journeys. So just click on all journeys, and once you do so, you'll be able to see all of your automations here, and then you gotta click on build from scratch. So once you click on build from scratch, and now here it's saying create a map for your contact's journey. So here I'm going to give it a name such as customer workflow. So I'm going to type down customer workflow, and after that click on start building. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see something like this. So you got to click on choose a starting point for your automation, and now here you got to select the starting point, which these are the popular ones on MailChimp, and over here you can just select any of these. But however, if you want to use any other which is not in the popular list, you can just click on any of these and you can select that particular automation. So here I'm starting this starting point such as sign up for email, that whenever someone sign-ups for an email, they'll get this. Now here you got to click on include imported contacts, whether you wish the email to be sent to them. And now here it says contact signs up to this automation. Now here we're going to set up tags, and we're going to give it names that what should happen when the person signs up. Now, for example, you can drag drop any of these, and I'm gonna drag this one over here, that is tag and tag. So I'm gonna drag and drop this, and once I click on that, you gotta select what tag you want that. Now, for example, I want all of the people who sign up in 2025 to get added. And once you do so, what you got to do is click on save. And now you can see that this automation tag has been added. Now, if you wish to create some other automation tags, you can just drag drop and select any other tag. For example, I'm going to click on customer and then click on add and then click on save. Now, these are different types of tags that you can add. Now, if you wish to untag, you can do that as well. Now, let us just put down a segment of send email. Now, you can select to and from, that what should their email addresses be, and schedule like every day as soon as possible, and then just click on done. And there are some other content such as send SMS, and we have some conditional rules such as if else. So you can drag and drop that over here. Now you can set up conditions that if this happens, then this will happen in return. For example, I'm gonna set that if a person's favorite ice cream is strawberry, then this will happen. So just click on use segment. And you can set up automation for yes and then for no as well. If a person's favorite ice cream is not strawberry, then this will happen. Then they'll receive this particular email. So you can just set up that accordingly. And after that, numerous other contents that you can drag and drop from. For example, if I want the person whose favorite ice cream is strawberry to be sent this kind of email, and whose favorite is not that, then they'll be sent a separate kind of email. So that is basically a mere explanation, and you can also add other stuff such as time delays and so that was how you can set up automations on MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.